Hey guys, and welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Join me today as I make these festive and adorable Christmas sugar cookie bars. Merry COOKMAS Day 22. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys are ready for the holiday season. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make these Christmas sugar cookie bars. All the flavors are going to come together well to make a wonderful, delicious bite that's reminiscent of a sugar cookie, but this one is in the form of a cookie bar. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, give me a Christmas present. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started.
Lines are busting out the door, Christmas songs in every store. Can't stand to hear one more, please won't you make it stop. Snow is piled 5 feet high, dog ate the pecan pie. Hurry up, store-bought is fine, Christmas time again. They say it's so pretty, that time in New York City. I say cold and gritty, packed in like sardines. Got a flat on the interstate, Mama warned me don't be late. Pretty please save me a plate, Christmas time again.
Uncle Eddie's new friend Jane,
sister's back with what's his name,
all together once again.
and once a year is plenty.
Laughter bouncing off the wall,
Hear the cackle down the hall, too loud to think at all, Christmas time again.
here come the holidays, so
Save up a whole month's pay and
spend it on a one-night stay with a view of Rockefeller.
Alright guys, so here we have it. This is the Christmas sugar cookie bars. It is a take on the classic Christmas sugar cookie itself. Kind of remind me of one of those cookies you can buy in the store that are the sugar cookies with that wonderful frosting on top. You guys know which ones I'm talking about. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you like your cookies in bar form. Share this video out. I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Oh, the icy weather,
bake the cookies, knit the sweater, stand in line, wait forever, Christmas time again. If December's got you down,